Okay, so this is another retake of a retake of a retake. Okay, I did this last week in class, and I don't think this is the method I want my 12s to use. Okay, it's a little too complicated. So I'm going to make a simpler version really quickly. Hopefully it's under 5 minutes. Okay, so the goal is to get to this into within 5 minutes or so. Okay, so I'm going to basically move everything. I'm just going to right click here. Right here, I'm going to make a new Shift A. I'm going to make a cube. And this method, I think, is by far the best, and in my approach, as far as I'm concerned, for making a Gothic archway. Okay, so I'm going to go S, Z, make it taller, S for scale, X, something like that. Let's do that again. S, X. Keep your spider web far away so you can actually do some cool stuff here. Okay, let's say this is okay. So we'll go to X. Here, I'm gonna call this M. I'm gonna make it its own group. New collection, I mean, and Goth, I'm going to call it Goth W window. Let's just put in window. Who cares? Okay, I already lost a minute for sure. Okay, tab, get in here. Let's get our cut tool going. Loop cut, one in the middle, one on either side. Okay, that's it. Come in here, grab the top three of these verts. Now be careful, be in Superman mode, which is X-ray mode, right? So come in here, grab these three, and bring them up one at a time, like that. One. Grab only the middle, mark key select, two. Yeah, so this is it right here. So if I go a little higher, I can, this is a good time to kind of get a sense of this. So let's say it's something like that, okay? It's okay, it's fine. Okay, tab out. So that part's okay. Now, let me just get into this mode here quickly. And I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna grab the outside surface and make a window frame for it, okay? So tab, we'll go to 3 for face. I'm gonna hit option, grab this loop here, just like you guys did with the chess piece, and I'm gonna go Shift D to duplicate. Shift D, and I'm gonna press X so it comes forward. And I'm gonna press P for separate. I know it doesn't rhyme at all. P, separate. There it is, done. Okay, tab out. And then this we need to center right here because it's way over there. Right click, set origin to mass right there. Okay, so this is gonna be the window frame, Goth. GW, let's go with G underscore W, let's go with whatever, frame. Okay, tab, face mode, which is number 3, option click, and then we're gonna go to extrude, and this part is awesome. Now pay attention here, just extrude outwards. Now notice that down here, it's kind of weird. So we're gonna go offset even, and that's gonna look absolutely gorgeous. There it is, okay? So now you need to tab out and then scale out on the X. You can fix your proportions, do whatever you want, SX, something like that. Okay, so we'll go like that. This will be here. Thank you, that's 1. All right, I'm gonna do it again. Actually, no, I don't need to do it again. I'm gonna make this super thin. So now I'm gonna say down and dirty, really simple. I'm gonna make another Shift A for a box, and I'm gonna call this cube, and this will be my window frame, okay? This will be the actual frames, okay? So S, Y, bring it in like that, and then SX, bring it in over here, something like that, and then bring it forward. Let's pretend this is okay, all right? That's not bad, actually. If you were doing an interior scene, this might actually work. Okay, something like that. Okay, SX, there it is. So I'm going to go into orthographic view. I'm going to scale this up, SZ right up here. So it sits there, and we're done the first one. I may want to make this a little thinner, okay? So SY, just a little bit. Okay, cool. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate it, Shift D on the Y. Here you go. And then you guys can fix this on your own after. Shift D on the Y again, and I'll go on this side, okay? So there's my 3 separations there. I can kind of make these a little closer there, and this one a little out that way, okay? So if I select both of these right now, go to tab mode and then press 1 for vertex and stay in X-ray, Superman mode. Come in here and then just get out of that and bring this into the frame itself. There you go. Okay, I can take these ones and frame it up like that. Okay, tab done. Now I can take one of these right now and Shift D on the Y. Now I'm going to rotate it on the X 90 degrees. RX 90. There. So this comes in here in the middle, and then let's go SY, bring it in. Okay, something like that. Okay, good enough for now. All right, so let's get out of this mode. I can press S. Look here. Okay, there you go. So this pretty much, I think, the easiest way for you guys to make your windows. All right, Shift D, Z. Class going to start. All right, thank you. So hopefully this recording audio is not gonna, it's gonna work. So basically this is it, right? Okay, and this was what? Look, 5 minutes, like I said. Yeah, it's super fast. Stop recording. Good enough.